Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Monarch Money Budget app. Monarch Money is a comprehensive financial management platform designed to help users track their spending, create budgets, and manage investments seamlessly. With features like customizable dashboards, goal tracking, and collaborative tools for partners or advisors, Monarch empowers users to gain control over their finances while ensuring top-notch security and privacy. Now, let's talk about some of its top features. Net worth tracking. Monarch Money allows users to sync all their bank accounts securely, providing a comprehensive view of their net worth over time. Users can track various assets, including real estate and investments, while daily snapshots of balance help visualize financial progress. This feature empowers individuals to monitor their financial health effortlessly, ensuring they stay informed about their overall net worth. Investment management. With Monarch Money, users can consolidate all their investment holdings in one place, simplifying the tracking process across multiple brokers. This platform offers powerful portfolio analysis tools that enables users to compare performance against benchmarks and identify top-performing assets. The comprehensive view helps users make informed decisions about their investments and adjust their strategies based on detailed insights. Budgeting made easy. Monarch's budgeting feature enables users to create customized budgets tailored to their financial goals. Users can categorize spending, set limits, and receive notifications to stay on track. This proactive approach to budgeting helps individuals manage their finances effectively, ensuring they allocate resources wisely while maintaining awareness of their spending habits for better financial control. Recurring expenses management. The recurring expenses feature in Monarch Money helps users track regular payments such as subscriptions and bills. By organizing these expenses, users can foresee upcoming costs and adjust their budgets accordingly. This functionality enhances financial planning by providing clarity on cash flow and ensuring that individuals are prepared for consistent outflows, ultimately supporting better money management. Collaborative financial planning. Monarch Money facilitates collaboration by allowing users to invite partners or financial advisors to share access to their financial data. This feature promotes transparency and teamwork in managing finances, enabling joint decision-making on budgeting and investments. By fostering collaboration, Monarch empowers families and couples to achieve shared financial goals more effectively while ensuring everyone stays informed. Now, let's talk about some of its drawbacks. Budgeting complexity. Monarch Money employs a unique budgeting approach that may confuse users accustomed to traditional methods. Instead of aligning budgets with bank balances, it encourages users to plan expenses based on goals. This passive budgeting style can be challenging for those who prefer a more direct correlation between their budget and actual account balances. Limited investment tracking. A significant drawback of Monarch Money is its lack of comprehensive investment tracking features. Users cannot view detailed transactions for investment accounts such as 401k contributions or dividend payments. This limitation forces individuals to rely on separate platforms for investment management, reducing the convenience of having all financial information in one place. Slow transaction syncing. Users have reported that Monarch Money's transaction syncing can be slow, often taking up to a full day for updates. This lag contrasts sharply with competitors that offer near instantaneous syncing. Consequently, Users may find it frustrating to manage their finances effectively without real-time visibility into their transactions and account balances. Monarch Money offers a robust platform for financial management featuring tools for net worth tracking, investment oversight, and budgeting. While it excels in collaboration and user-friendly design, potential drawbacks like budgeting complexity and slow transaction syncing may impact some users. Overall, it remains a valuable resource for achieving financial goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.